GoPro has just introduced something completely unexpected, the brand new Mission 1 lineup. But before you think this is just another hero replacement, it's important to understand that this is an entirely new direction for GoPro. The Mission 1 series is designed as a parallel lineup, meaning the Hero series will continue. But this new lineup is focused heavily on creators, filmmakers, and professional users who want more power, more flexibility, and more cinematic control. The Mission 1 lineup includes 3 different cameras: the Mission 1, the Mission 1 Pro, and the Mission 1 Pro ILS. While the names may sound simple, each model is built for a different level of user, offering varying levels of performance and professional features. At the core of all 3 cameras is a powerful new 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor. This is a significant upgrade compared to traditional action camera sensors. The sensor uses quad Bayer technology, allowing it to combine 4 pixels into one larger pixel when shooting in low-light conditions. This results in an effective pixel size of 3.2 microns, which means the camera can capture significantly more light. In simple terms, this leads to cleaner shadows, improved detail, and much better low-light performance. GoPro is also using a new GP3 processor built on a 5-nanometer architecture with a dedicated neural processing unit. This allows the camera to process HDR, noise reduction, and dynamic range computationally, achieving up to 14 stops of dynamic range. This level of image processing brings the Mission 1 lineup much closer to professional cinema cameras than traditional action cameras. When it comes to video performance, the Mission 1 Pro delivers extremely impressive specifications. It supports 8K recording at 60 frames per second, 4K recording at 240 frames per second, and up to 960 frames per second at 1080p for extreme slow-motion footage. This means creators can capture incredibly smooth slow-motion video, which is ideal for sports, cinematic sequences, and dramatic shots. The cameras also support 10-bit color, GP-Log 2 color profile, and HLG HDR, allowing creators to have more flexibility when color grading footage in post-production. Another major improvement is the bitrate, which goes up to 240 megabits per second. A higher bitrate preserves more image detail and reduces compression artifacts, especially in fast-moving scenes where action cameras are commonly used. One of the most exciting innovations in this lineup is the Mission 1 Pro ILS, which introduces interchangeable lens support. This is the first time GoPro has offered a camera system that allows creators to swap lenses. The camera uses a micro 4/3 mount, allowing users to attach wide-angle lenses, telephoto lenses, macro lenses, or even cinema lenses. This gives creators more creative freedom and allows the camera to adapt to different shooting situations. However, there are some trade-offs. The camera is weatherproof, but not fully waterproof like the other Mission 1 models, and it currently does not support autofocus. This clearly shows that the Mission 1 Pro ILS is designed for controlled filming environments rather than fast-paced action shooting. GoPro has also made major improvements in audio quality. The new cameras feature 32-bit float audio recording using 4 built-in microphones. This technology allows audio to capture a much wider dynamic range, meaning the sound will not distort even in very loud environments. Users can simply adjust audio levels later in editing without losing quality. Alongside this, GoPro has introduced a new wireless microphone system featuring small transmitters weighing only 10 grams, offering up to 6.5 hours of battery life and a range of up to 150 meters. The microphones also include a safety track feature, which records a backup audio track at a lower volume level to prevent distortion. Interestingly, these microphones are not limited to GoPro cameras and can also be used with smartphones or mirrorless cameras. The Mission 1 lineup also includes several new accessories and creator bundles designed to provide a complete production setup. The Grip Edition includes a dual-purpose grip that also works as a metal cage with mounting options. The Creator Edition adds the redesigned media mod, the Volta 2 battery grip for extended recording time, and the wireless microphone system. The Ultimate Creator Edition takes things even further by including the Fluid Pro AI gimbal, which provides advanced stabilization and AI subject tracking, especially useful in low-light conditions. The upgraded media mod now offers multiple microphone pickup patterns, three 3.5mm audio ports, and a micro HDMI output capable of 4K 60 video. Battery performance has also improved with the new Enduro 2 battery, which provides more than 3 hours of recording at 4K 30 frames per second and over 5 hours at 1080p. The camera supports high-speed micro SD cards, includes improved thermal performance for long recording sessions, and supports GoPro Labs for advanced QR code-based settings. Pre-orders for the Mission 1 lineup begin on May 21st, with shipping expected on May 28th. Pricing has not yet been officially announced, but pricing will likely play a major role in determining how successful this new lineup becomes. Overall, the Mission 1 lineup shows that GoPro is no longer focusing only on action cameras. Instead, the company appears to be moving toward a much broader role in the content creation industry. If the pricing is competitive, this could mark a major shift in how creators approach filmmaking, potentially positioning GoPro as a serious competitor to traditional mirrorless and cinema cameras.